This is lecture 4 of module 1, building rules. Building rules and bylaws are laid down by the municipal or town planning authorities for framing public or private building. And Government of India has published National Building Code, it is short form NBC, for a reference for local bodies in framing building rules. In Kerala, planning and construction of building are governed by the Kerala Municipal Building Rules, that is KMBR. And the important rules and regulations of NBC are: 1. General requirement regarding plots, then exterior and interior open spaces, built up areas of buildings, coverage and floor area of building. Where a building is newly erected, the building rules of KBMR shall apply to the designs and construction of the building. Where the building is alerted, the rule in KBMR shall apply to the altered portion of the building. That is, when the building is altered, the rules in KBMR shall apply to the altered portion of the building. Then, where the occupancy or use of building is changed, these rules shall apply to all the parts of the building affected by the change. Then, size, height and ventilation of rooms, and water supply, sanitation and rainwater harvesting. These are the important rules and regulations of NBC. First one, general requirement regarding plots, or the general rules for selection of building plot as per NBC. 1. The building should not be constructed on any plot where there is deposit of refuse, excreta or other offensive matter. Then building should not be constructed on a plot which consists of big pit or quarry. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മളൊരു ബിൽഡിംഗ് പ്ലോട്ട് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അവിടെ ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ ഒരു ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റ് ഓഫ് റെഫ്യൂസ്, എസ്ക്രീറ്റ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒഫൻസീവ് മാറ്ററൊക്കെ ഉള്ള സ്ഥലമാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷന് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല. ബിൽഡിംഗ് ഷുഡ് നോട്ട് ബി കൺസ്ട്രക്റ്റഡ് ഓൺ എനി പ്ലോട്ട് വെർ ദർ ഇസ് ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റ് ഓഫ് റെഫ്യൂസ്, എസ്ക്രീറ്റ ഓർ അതർ ഒഫൻസീവ് മാറ്റർ. പിന്നെ അതുപോലെ ബിഗ് പിറ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കോറി മീൻസ് പാറമട, അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയുള്ള സ്ഥലങ്ങളിലും നമ്മൾ ബിൽഡിംഗ് കൺസ്ട്രക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല. Then building should not be constructed on a plot liable to flood or on a slope forming an angle of more than 45 degrees with the horizontal. Then building construction or reconstruction in any area notified by the Government of India as a coastal regulation zone is restricted. Then building should not be constructed with a minimum clearance from the overhead electric supply line. Then minimum exterior and interior open space around the building. Exterior open space around the building of height up to 10 meter. ബിൽഡിങ്ങിൻ്റെ ഹൈറ്റ് 10 മീറ്റർ വരെ ആണെങ്കിൽ ദ ബിൽഡിംഗ് ഷുഡ് ഹാവ് എ ഫ്രണ്ട് യാർഡ് ഓഫ് മിനിമം വിഡ്ത്ത് 3 മീറ്റർ ആൻഡ് സൈഡ് യാർഡ് 1.5 മീറ്റർ. ഇഫ് ഇറ്റ്സ് 2 sides face a street, then width shall be 3 meter. The width shall be 3 meter average but not less than 1.8 meter. Building shall have a rear open space of average width 3 meter and should not be less than 1.8 meter at any place. Then for this is building of height up to 10 meter. Then building for height of buildings between 10 and 25 meter, the minimum open space shall be increased at the rate of 1 meter for every 3 meter increase in height above 10 meter. And for heights above 25 meter, there shall be a minimum open space of 10 meter. And for heights above 30 meter, this shall be increased at the rate of 1 meter for every 5 meter increase in height and subjected to a maximum of 16 meter. Pitria exterior and interior open space around the building as per NBC. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ ഹൈറ്റ് 10 മീറ്റർ വരെ ഉള്ളതിന് എങ്ങനെ 10 to 25, then above 30. Then floor area ratio. Floor area ratio is the ratio between the covered area of all floors divided by plot area. It is expressed in percentage അപ്പോൾ into 100. അപ്പോൾ floor area ratio equal to covered area of all floors into 100 divided by plot area. Plot area means is the area which is enclosed by the boundaries of the plot. Covered area is the maximum floor area of the building after excluding the cantilevered open balconies, garden, compound wall, uncovered staircase, etc. ഇപ്പോൾ പ്ലോട്ട് ഏരിയ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് the area enclosed by the boundaries of the plot. Covered area means is the maximum floor area of the building excluding the cantilevered open balconies, gardens, compound walls, etc. Then carpet area is the usable floor area excluding staircase, lift, wells, then toilets, electrical and air conditions, etc. ഇപ്പോൾ കാർപ്പറ്റ് ഏരിയ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ യൂസബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഫ്ലോർ ഏരിയ, അതിൽ എക്സ്ക്ലൂഡിങ് സ്റ്റെയർ കേസ്, ടോയ്ലറ്റ്സ്, ലിഫ്റ്റ് വെൽസ്, എക്സെട്ര. Then for residential building, permissible floor area ratio is 3. ഇപ്പോൾ റെസിഡൻഷ്യൽ ബിൽഡിംഗ് ആണെങ്കിൽ പെർമിസിബിൾ ഫ്ലോർ ഏരിയ റേഷ്യോ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് 3. Then coverage and floor area ratio as per NBC. That is ബിൽഡിംഗ്, ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ റെസിഡൻഷ്യൽ ബിൽഡിങ്ങിൻ്റെയാണ് ഫ്ലോർ ഏരിയ റേഷ്യോ 3 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്. ഇനി റെസിഡൻഷ്യൽ അല്ലാതെ ബാക്കിയുള്ള ബിൽഡിങ്ങിനും ഉണ്ട്. ഇപ്പോൾ ബിൽഡിംഗ് use in case of residential, the maximum coverage area, that is in percentage, is 60 and maximum permissible floor area ratio is 15. And in case of educational building, maximum coverage is 30% and maximum permissible floor area ratio 12. And commercial building, maximum coverage is 60 and maximum permissible floor area ratio 20. Industrial 40 and maximum permissible floor area ratio 12. Office building 40, maximum FAR 15. Assembly building 40 and FAR 0.7. Next, minimum requirement of room spaces. That is, the height of all rooms for human habitation shall not be less than 2.75 meter from the surface of floor to lower part of ceiling or bottom of slabs, provided that the minimum headroom at any point in the room shall not be less than 2.4 meter. അപ്പോൾ ഹ്യൂമൻ ഹാബിറ്റേഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഹൈറ്റ് ഓഫ് റൂം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് ഷാൽ നോട്ട് ബി ലെസ് ദാൻ 2.75 മീറ്റർ. ആ ഹൈറ്റ് എന്ന് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ച് ഫ്രം ദ സർഫസ് ഓഫ് ഫ്ലോർ ടു ലോവർ പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് സീലിംഗ് ഓർ ബോട്ടം ഓഫ് സ്ലാബ്സ്, provided with a minimum headroom at any point in the room shall not be less than 2.4 meter. The size of a habitable building shall not be less than 9.5 meter square. That is area. The size of a habitable building shall not be less than 9.5 meter square where there is only one room. When there are two habitable rooms, one shall not be smaller than 9.5 meter square and the other not less than 7.5 meter square. And the minimum width of the room shall not be less than 2.4 meter. Then the height of the kitchen shall not be less than 2.75 meter and the area not less than 5.5 meter square with a minimum width of 1.8 meter, where there is a separate store, that is 4.5 meter square kitchen area is enough. Then if the kitchen is used as a dining cum kitchen, area shall not be less than 9.5 meter square. And every habitation room shall be furnished with a sufficient number of openings such as windows, ventilators, etc. to provide sufficient light and air circulation. In case of kitchen, in addition to ventilation and lighting, provision should be provided for the escape of smoke and heated air. Then height of bathroom or water closet shall not be less than 2.2 meter and size of bathroom shall not be less than 1.5 meter into 1.2 meter or 1.8 meter square. For combined bathroom and water closet area should not be less than 2.8 meter square and minimum area of water closet is 1.1 meter square.